Hello there, my name's Lexi, and today we're going to be doing a super easy, super relaxing neck stretching class. So grab a comfortable spot, sit on your bed or on the floor, on the couch. Just come to a seated position and we'll get started. Okay, so you might be wondering why in the world would I want to do a neck stretching class? But you use your neck all day long, every single day. If you have a physically demanding job, it would be a wonderful thing to stretch out your neck. If you're in a cold climate, it's also very common for your shoulders to be hugged in towards your ears. So it would also be very wonderful to do a neck stretching class. If you sit at a desk all day, really any job that you're doing, if you're hunched over at all or standing up tall all day, your neck's going to be feeling it, and so is your upper back. So today is just a small, easy class that'll help you towards releasing tension in your neck. Okay, so to get started, bring your hands behind you. You're slowly going to tilt your neck towards your left side, pushing your right shoulder down, and now you're going to switch your neck to the other side, bringing your neck towards your right shoulder, pushing your left shoulder away from you. Bring your neck to the middle. Now behind you, you're going to bring your right arm behind you and grab your right wrist with your left hand, hugging your right arm closer towards your body than the left. Inhale and exhale. You're slowly going to round your back, just a slight. Now lowering your neck down towards the ground. You're slowly going to tilt your neck just slightly towards your left leg. You should be feeling an intense stretch in the upper right side of your back. If it's not that intense, see if you can lower your right shoulder down a little bit lower. Now you're going to bring your left arm to meet your right at the back. Rise yourself up so you're not so slunched. Now you're going to reach, again, your left ear down to your left shoulder, pushing your right shoulder down towards the ground. When you do that, you get a deeper stretch in here. Lift your left arm up, keeping your right arm behind you. You're going to place it at the back of your neck, just behind your ear. You're slowly going to bring your neck down towards your left leg. If the positioning of your hand is uncomfortable at all, you can totally switch where your hand is placed. Inhale and exhale. Try to release tension in your upper back, your shoulders. And slowly come up. Place your hands on your shoulders, reaching your left arm up to the right side, of your head. Pushing your right shoulder down, you're slowly going to rotate your neck again towards the left. Inhaling and exhaling. See if you can slightly push your head down towards the left a little lower. Remembering to push your right shoulder down, lengthening in your left side. Coming back up, you're going to switch shoulders. So bring your left arm across to touch your right shoulder. You're slowly going to tilt your head back towards your left shoulder this time. You should be feeling an intense stretch in the right front. Inhale, lift up, lengthening, and exhale, lengthening, creating more space in your neck. Slowly lift up. Perfect. Now we're going to do an intense upper back stretch. So if you want to go light, then just don't push yourself as hard. If you would like to get a bit more of a stretch, then just come a little bit further into it. I'll guide you through the different variations. So first, just staying where you are. You can then round your spine a little bit, bringing your neck towards the ground, your chin towards your chest. If you feel a stretch already and you're like, this is totally good, then just stay where you are. But if you do want to go deeper, you're going to place your hands at the back of your neck, interlacing your fingers. Once your hands are just above your hairline, you're slowly going to roll your back and bring your head down lower towards the ground. Rolling your shoulders back and down. Releasing your hands, lifting up. Okay, now we're going to do that on the other side. So, place your hands behind you. Your right hand is going to grab your left wrist. And you're slowly going to roll your back, bringing your head down towards the ground. Again, you should be feeling this stretch in your upper left side of your back. As you're ready, both hands meet behind. Again, you're going to lift your right ear towards your right shoulder, lengthening in your left side of your neck. Extending your right arm, placing it at the back of your head. You're slowly going to pull your head down towards the ground, bringing it slightly towards your right leg rather than the middle. Remembering to breathe. Slowly release and rise up. Both hands on your shoulders. Now again, you're going to reach your right arm up, grabbing the left side of your head, a little bit further towards your temple than the back. Inhale, rise up. And exhale, slowly reach your right shoulder down towards the ground. Lengthening the left side of your neck. As you're ready, you're slowly going to lift up, placing your right hand where your left hand was, on your left shoulder. Now, as you're ready, you're slowly going to tilt your neck back, bringing your right ear closer to your right shoulder, lengthening in the front of your left side of your neck. If you want to make this more intense, just push your left shoulder down further towards the ground, lengthening. Now, as you're ready, you're slowly going to rise up. Release your hands. Place your hands at the back of your neck, or leave them where they are. Do whatever variation feels best for you. Bring your hands interlaced just above your hairline, rolling your back in, pulling your neck down towards the ground. Now, as you're ready, slowly release, rising yourself up to a full position. Okay, so that was our super easy, really simple class. To end, we're going to bring your hands to heart center, or you can keep your hands on your knees, whatever is most comfortable for you. We're just going to take 3 breaths here to end our practice. We're going to inhale and exhale out your mouth. Inhale once more, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this really easy class. I hope we see you next time. Thank you. Namaste.